Okay, let's see if we can get everything finished up at this point. One thing I did forget to do is that after we do the add right here, we still want to come back and call that reset form since I coded it. So we'll say here reset form, open close parentheses. We'll do a start to see how all of this is going to work for us. Hopefully it'll work okay, and I haven't made any typos as we went along. And there we go. So we are now at record 101125. The latest one that was in their complete record was 24, so we know we're all right there. Let's add the first record here called Droid. And we'll call it Ann. And Ann lives at 1234, just so we have something in here. Robot Road in Mobile, Missouri. Let's call it that one, Missouri. And a zip code of 65111. That'll work for us. Credit limit, let's give them 1500. Now you will notice, even though we're calling that reset form, which then calls the get last customer number, right now it is 101125. When I click on add, boom, it clears everything out, but this stays the same. Well, we don't want that. We want it to move to the next one. Why did it not do that? The reason is because up here in our variables, when I define data table here, DT data table, and then referenced it down here, it just keeps that one. So it defines it once, but it doesn't then each time update the data table to go back out and say, oh yeah, this is the new last record. So how do we fix that? Really very simple. We'll come in and just highlight that line, do a Control X to cut it, come down before the data source line, and we'll just Control V to paste right there. Now let's see if everything works for us. We come in now, click on start, and now we are again. Okay, that's fine. You guys are in the first time, so we're at 26. That works. Let's put in here some new data. Belt Lacey. Lacey's going to live at 256 Loop Circle. And Latches, and let's put them in Latches, Kansas. How about that? Latches, Kansas, 67111. I'm making this up as I go along. Well, let's give Lacey a 2000. This time, all right, we're at 26. Click on add, and bingo, yes, we updated to 27. So just to make sure that it works again, let's add one more record. Chilada and food theme on this one, 719 Sauce Street, just something in there. Hot Plate, Hot Plate, Arkansas, 72111, probably is a valid zip code, $1,000, add, bingo, updated again. So let's open up the database at this point just to make sure that everything did work the way we want. And if we come over here to TBL customer, scroll down, there we go. Android, Lacey Belt, Enchilada. So 252627, did they get added into the balance table also? And yes, they did. There's their balances, 1500, added the extra zeros, 2000, 1000, and current the credit limits rather. The current balances are right there. Correct numbers. All right, very, very good. That's exactly how we wanted everything to work. So I hope you've enjoyed this series on how to use the insert command of SQL. As always, thank you for watching.